I'm here at Malarkey Bay and I'm just at the banks of Loch Lomond, and I'm here with my dog, who I'm sure you're going to hear from time to time. Now, as I've been walking along the beach behind me, I've noticed the most obvious signs of sorting. Now, we know that rivers and seas and lochs are constantly transporting material of all different shapes and sizes. Now, when they start approaching land, they start to lose energy, and that's because they're met with an increased amount of friction, and that's forcing them to have to deposit. Now, when rivers and lochs and seas lose energy and are forced to deposit, they do that in a sorted way, which basically means that they drop the heaviest stuff first, and in this case that's the pebbles and stones that are found on the water's edge here, and then it slowly becomes smaller and smaller and smaller the further up the beach that you go. And behind me is the most perfect example of that. You can see that so clearly, the different shades that are behind me, and that's going from the small pebbles and stones that are at the water's edge there to gradually becoming finer and finer and finer until it is just sand further up the beach. And they do that because the heaviest stuff is weighing them down the most, and they're able to hold on to that lighter stuff for much longer. So as the wave comes in this case, the heaviest pebbles are dropped first, and then as the wave reaches further up the beach, it is able to transport the smaller, finer materials all the way up the beach until the backwash takes it back out. And that is the most perfect example of sorting. And as I say, rivers, seas and lochs all do that.